Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this beans on toast painting. The question today is, what is the origin of beans on toast? Alright, let's run through the colors. Pearly red, plain red, red oxide, raw sienna, cadmium yellow, midnight brown, twin blue, ultramarine blue, phthalo green, titanium white, Mars black. Alright, today we're going to paint beans on toast in English Classic. We just got in kind of that dark green yellow background. It has a really nice contrast on the brown, so that really sticks out. We want to add kind of an outline for a shadow, as well as do another pass on these colors, get that really dense. Kind of fill this in again. Hopefully we can make kind of a nice look for the beans, make it more saucy looking. It kind of doesn't look so saucy right now. Make that bread stand out more whiter here, a little bit lighter, kind of yellowish here, to get that bread to stand out, and we'll see where we go from there. So in 1927, Heinz, who was in the US and in Britain, they came with this marketing ploy to put beans on toast as kind of an advertising, and it gained popularity, and it really stuck with the British troops during World War II. You know, food was scarce. You have beans and toast is fairly nutritious, not very great, but it became kind of a staple of British culture to put beans on toast. And a lot of times for British breakfast, they'll have beans with eggs, sausage and bacon all combined, but always with the beans. The beans is very important to the British breakfast, especially for college kids, and that's the origin of beans on toast. Alright, we just finished. Let's take a closer look. So we got this really nice lime green. I'm pretty happy with the green. There is this really annoying puncture in the painting, which I didn't realize until I started, and I was like, I'll just live with it. So I'll probably have to discount that, but I had the green on there. I probably should do like 3 layers of this to get the green right, but I just really don't have patience for that. It's just beans on toast, you know what I mean? I mean, if I was doing my abstract, I think I would have done that today. I wanted to do an abstract, but then I didn't have enough canvas. I'm like, oh, what am I gonna paint? I was kind of scratching my head, came with this beans and toast thing. Kind of go with, you know, people hunkering down, eating, you know, the bare essentials to get by during this crazy virus outbreak. But anyway, hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you on the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys. And check out my Patreon account for the full version.